Hello guys, welcome back to my Python YouTube channel, DESI ASTRO. And in this Python tutorial, I am going to show how to code using Python Astropy package to fit a 1D linear model. I mean, your model should be y equal to mx plus c. So basically, this is your linear model, and you want to get your slope and intercept by fitting on a scatter plot. So let's do it. So first import libraries. So import numpy as np and then import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt, then import Astropy, and then you need to also import Astropy fitting. So from Astropy dot modeling import models and fitting. Now this much we have done. So numpy will take care of your arrays. So what will take care of array? This will take care of our plotting, and then this is like your Astropy package. And this is your model fitting. Now give your x and y data. Give x, y data. So x just give np dot linear space. Say you want to go from 1 to 100 and you want to give 10 numbers. Y you can give x, and maybe you want to add some noise. And here add some noise. So for that import say random. So this is your random number module. Now, so what to do? You can add here np dot random dot rand int, and it will add. Suppose you want to add, you want to add say 1 to 10, and you want to add 10 random numbers, or maybe you can give 50. So you got your x and y with some noise. You can check your x and y. Come on, x, y. So this is your x and y. Now x we have say 10 number, and y we have 10 number. I think we have 1, 2, yeah. Okay, so now we have to fit the model, Astropy model. So for that, first we'll plot this scatter plot. So plot a scatter. Dot scatter, give x comma y, give some size, and simply plot it. Plt dot Okay, so this is your plot. Now your job is to fit a line across these plots. These are your data points. So what to do for that? Like, you have to initialize a linear feed. So here you can do type initialize linear feed. For that, type feed equal to, you can give any variable you want. Feed equal to fitting dot linear L sq fitter, then give function. After that, you have to initialize the model. So for that, this will be a fitter, and then initialize your linear model. For that, give say line underscore fit equal to models dot linear 1D and give your function. Now this much we have done. Now you have to fit. So fit the scatter plot. Now for that, just type fitted underscore line equal to fit. This fit your like initialize and give function and give your line fit. Give your line fit and x and y variable. So this will do the job. Let's see what I'm getting through this. Okay. And then plot your figure. PLT dot figure. Okay, so I think yeah. So now you need to fit. Okay, so this much we have done. Now you have fitted line. Okay, so from there you can get your slope and intercept. Let's check it. So this is your slope 0.98 and intercept 19.2738. So this is your line. This is your parameter for the line fitting. Now we want to plot it. So plot fitted line. So for that, type command plt dot plot your x variable and your fitted line, and then give your argument say x. Let's run it. See, there is a line having fitted across your data points. You can give different color if you want. You can give it say red. Maybe you can give little thicker line width. LW say 5. Okay, so this way you can fit your data points, and from there you can get your slope and intercept. So you can see that there is your slope and intercept for this measurement. So this way you can fit it. You can increase the data points. Yeah, you can increase the data points by say 50, and then accordingly you have to do it. Okay, this is one of your feet. You can change the color and all the stuff you want. Give it here, it's red, no problem. Maybe you can change the color of your scatter plot. Just call it black. Maybe you can also give it marker size. Marker equal to, you can give it a star. Okay, so this way you can also increase the size to bigger, 300. Okay, so this way you can do. This is your fitted parameters, and just give a title to this plot. Fit 1D linear fit on a scatter plot using Astropy model fit. You can also, oh yeah, thanks. So I hope you got the idea that how to fit a 1D linear fit on in Python using Astropy model.